Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own brushes and import them in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. I have this art brushes file with me. I'm going to open it up. I will also leave the link in the description of this file as well, so you can download them. So make sure to check that out. There are so many patterns here and all of these can be used as a brushes. So let me show you how you can import these. For example, I'll be choosing this brush and I'm going to put it on my artboard. Just like that. I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to open up the brush panel. You can do this by go to Windows and click on brushes. You will have this panel open up. I'm going to drag this brush and put it right on here. As these brushes are the art brushes, and here are some options. You can select the direction, or you have the brush scale options as well. You can flip them. You can also change the colors, and just like that. Now click on OK. And now let me show you how you can use these brushes. You can simply use to draw here with a pencil, and I'm going to select this and add the stroke with the black color, and then I'm going to select the brush. Now you can see the brush stroke is added on the top of this layer. Now let me show you another example. I have drawn this rectangle. Now I'm going to change the stroke to the brush. You can do this simply by clicking on the selection tool and select the rectangle and click on this brush. And there you go. Now you can see the brush started from here and ended just right here. Let's add another brush. Let's add this one. Simply drag it and place it on here. Now drag this brush on top of the brush panel. And here select the art brush and click on OK. You can select the direction and hit enter. And now select this rectangle and click on this brush. And that's how you can import the brushes in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.